Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by gathering what carriers require: your phone number, account ID, and account PIN or last four of your SSN. Once you have those, get the device IMEI from settings or by dialing *#06#. Make sure you choose the method now. App or website is fastest. A call or store visit may be necessary for locked accounts. Do this first because carriers will verify identity immediately, and lack of any of these items delays deactivation. You next initiate the deactivation. Log into the carrier app or website over a secure network and find the line management or device settings. If you call, dial the verified carrier number and follow prompts to reach account support. Be ready to verify identity. When prompted, give the account PIN, IMEI, or phone number and explicitly state you want the SIM deactivated. Make sure to confirm which line and whether deactivation is immediate or scheduled. Once the carrier accepts your request, you should get a confirmation number or email. Check the effective deactivation date and any final charges. Then power off the device and remove the SIM card only after you've received confirmation. If the line remains active past the stated time, contact support again, ask for a supervisor, and record the ticket or reference number. That evidence speeds resolution and prevents unexpected charges. Keep it until billing reflects the deactivation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.